Yeah.
Order filled, check us out.
You know what time it is.
This is the Mighty Soldiers exclusive.
Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it.
How you guys doing? I'm Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades.
And I'm Sarah.
Today was pretty awesome. Pulled out 0.85% on the account today. That's not that far from 1% on the account. I'm pretty happy considering we had a really slow market today. We've had a lot of ups and downs. We closed with a red month last month. Just basically some foolishness, grabbing a hold of plays, having the idea rather than trading the chart, and it's never a good idea to do that.
Right.
And so I learned my lesson again and again. So maybe I'll actually learn it this time. I don't know. We'll see.
Maybe. We traded NVUS today. That had some news. They reported top-line results from Phase 2A trial of OPO-201 in acute otitis, and then media resolution of middle ear effusion in 56% patients versus 38% of placebo patients.
And as you can see, we didn't totally digest that news before we read it there. We just kind of traded it, and that's how it usually works out good for me. I do really good, guys, when I trade the chart, when I trade the action, when I find out what's moving and I trade it. If I have my options plays, they're big capitulation moves. That's all I really look for. I don't trade anything but big capitulation moves in my options, because if I do, that's when I lose. I never lose when I trade big capitulation moves.
Right.
Honestly, the same thing with the stocks. When we get some beast mode, when a low flow beast, a volume beast, anything like that. It's just my terms that I use for them. But
right.
We get some amazing action. Like today, we got a couple of demon drops. I grabbed the bottom of those. That was really great. A couple of offerings, I think, and
there was
it was just so reliable.
Well, we had OCGN. That's when you're talking about. It was
OCGN was one of them.
OCGN, they came out with news that they were going to stop their trial, I believe, because it wasn't going to meet its endpoints. So that dropped like over 30%.
Yeah, so basically any news, like an offering, any news like, oh, they just didn't meet their primary endpoints, or they're pulling the plug on this or whatever.
Yeah.
I find that those things drop, and usually, honestly, it seems like they're just trying to trap some shorts and get some shorts in there right before what they think is the mega drop, which has already seemed to happen. Because if we're from like $4 and we're down to $1.32, I'd say that's a pretty mega drop.
Mega drop, yeah.
So I just grab them, and usually, honestly, they'll make me wait. They don't just put me right into profit, but today they just put me into profit again and again. I was like, okay.
It's always nice to be into profit like that, that's for sure.
Well, yeah, because GNUS was the same thing. It was like, it just kept on going up real slowly, but it kept ticking between like, I don't know, just 2 to 4 cents or so. And no matter what, it would fill me on the bid, and it would sell me on the ask. I was like, wow, this is crazy. Like, this doesn't usually happen, because usually if it's going up, they won't fill you on the bid, And if it's not going up, it won't sell you on the ask. But this thing just kept on fill me on the bid, sell me on the ask, fill me on the bid. I'm like, well, I'm going to take advantage of this all day long.
Right.
And I was just in and out. I don't even know how many times, but totally.
You were in GNUS. You were in there like over 7 times, I believe.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. So yeah, and they didn't have any news today. Another stock you traded was ITRM just one time. That was just, I think, a quick trade because I'm not sure they did much.
I don't even remember that trade. That's how memorable it was.
Right.
And I did trade a horrible stock. I can't stand it. I don't know why I'm trading it.
Yeah, I know. Every time he does, I just want to punch him. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, she does. She does. When the camera's not on.
Well, yeah, I'm like, that's the stock you don't trade because
it's on the no trade list for Sarah.
PHUN.
Yeah, PHUN. Fun is horrible. It's not fun. Anytime I grab that stock, basically there's no buyers there, and there's surely nobody just wanting to give away profit on this play. So no matter what, it's just no matter where you averaged or anything, it's just gonna keep on pulling down, 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 until finally, if you're willing to like average down to hell pretty much, then at that point they're like, well, there's not much further to go, so we have 2 choices. We can stay here all day and wait for him to just give up, or we can just give him a couple bucks or whatever.
Right.
And usually they'll end up giving you a couple bucks because, what else can they do? But
yeah, well, not to mention their news was kind of stupid.
It always is. This is not a recommended play, guys. Don't do this. Don't trade like that. You do what you want, but I'm not saying that anybody should trade like that. But yeah, I'm just saying that's what could happen. If you grab fun at the top, it's just going to keep on going down, down, down. It's not going to give you any profit.
Yeah.
And when it does get, which for me, it presented a little bit of profit, I grabbed it as fast as I could.
Yeah, because you want to get out of that one for sure, because if not, you'll just be a bag holder.
Honestly, guys, I had like over 1,000 shares. I had over 1,000 shares in this garbage.
Yeah.
And, I cannot believe that I had over 1,000 shares in this. Yeah, anyways, PHUN. Not fun at all. I don't like it.
Definitely not fun.
I lost big on it before. I'm glad to take a couple of my dollars back. Although you guys know I don't focus on getting my money back here. I just focus on trading better next time, and this is not trading better. Grabbing a hold of fun is not trading better.
Well, at least you were able to get out without losing a penny.
But
nice.
And if you hear that, that's my little tiny fat chihuahua over there. Chubby chihuahua. Let's call him Chubby. Let's be politically correct about it.
He's cute.
He's a cute little chubby chihuahua sleeping over here.
Yeah, and he snores.
And I don't know, he's like sleeping with his eyes open because he's looking at me and he's snoring at the same time, so that's kind of weird. Yeah, anyways, guys, hopefully you guys are enjoying this beautiful weather. We're having beautiful weather today. I told you guys early in the stream that I was getting out of here, but then I just kept taking trade after trade. I'm like, rewalk. Let's grab some of that.
Yeah, we got some
and
RWLK.
Yeah. And,
that one had news.
OCGN, ITRM, GNUS, NVUS, 0.85% of the count today. Pretty good. Anyways, guys, see you later. See you next time.
Yep.
Like, subscribe, and we'll be back.
Yep, check us out.
Yeah.
Ordered filled. Check us out.
You know what time it is.
This is Mighty Soldiers exclusive.
Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like
If you with the squad, then you already know what's up. It be going down, but my account is going up. I'm about to make another 100,000 bucks. Rolling up that chain, I'm about to take another puff.
Hold up, I made a killing, now my pockets got swollen. Independent, now I'm taking over. I'm a lot richer, you a lot broker. I'm a pot smoker, stockbroker, blowing up like a supernova. On my mama, I was born a soldier, the best in the game, man. I thought I told you. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like I am unstoppable, I can do anything I ever wanted to. Never did anything they ever wanted me to. Got on my side and I'm not gonna lose and they're not gonna win. I see them, the haters, it's all G cause I'm getting dollars again. Commas on commas on commas, I'm buying the dip. The market is dropping again. I can see him hating from the sideline. If you see a hater, tell him bye-bye. Watch my money grow, 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 grow. And my wifey like, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa! Somebody better stop me cause there ain't no competition and I'm coming for the top position. Obliterating the opposition every time that I jot it in the composition. Everybody wanna stop and listen cause I bring it to you hotter than the oven in your mama kitchen. I'll be getting hit like a politician. I'ma get bread when you stack looking taller than Scottie Pippen. Ain't nobody ready for the Armageddon when I pop the clip and I ain't playing. I'm spraying you brain, I'm bringing the pain like Damon Wayne. You disappear like David Blaine. I'm dropping bombs, Saddam Hussein. Stop and aim, pop you lames and pop champagne. I ain't playing so stop the games, you know the name. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like Yeah. 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 Alright, man, I'm out.